welcome to Bass Lake Provincial Park in Orillia, Ontario. My plan coming to this park was to pull into the dump station. When I got there, as the dump station is before the gatehouse, but unfortunately there's no left turn into it. It's a very tight turn if you're pulling a trailer. So the only option is to head down to the gatehouse, register, get your firewood, and then you have two options. One is to head back to the dump station by doing the roundabout behind the gatehouse, or heading down to the garbage recycling area where there is a second water fill station. We chose to do the roundabout and head back to the dump station. It's a single lane dump station. It's fairly long. We were lucky we got in at around 7 o'clock on a Friday night of a long weekend, and there was no one in front of us. So if you do come into the main dump station to get water, there's only water on the left side and there's no way to hook a hose to it. So if you have one of those trailers that has the water inlet on the passenger side, then you would pretty much be out of luck. You would have to go down to the secondary water filling station, which is in the middle of the park. So our site is 122. It's not a bad site, a little bit of road noise, but it's not too bad. We're also, the privacy's okay. There's not a lot of shrubs here, so you can see into your other sites, but it's not too bad. The park store is located near the waterfront. It has some basic groceries, camping supplies, snacks, drinks, kayak and canoe rentals. There is also picnic tables located on the water view trail if you would like have a lunch or hang out by the water in your own little area if available. They looked very nice. Some of them were busy, some of them were not. There's a one beach, which is also the day use beach, which can get very busy. There's also a playground attached to it. There is 3 covered picnic areas available. You can get these also by permit if you would like to have a large group. Bass Lake Provincial Park also has one boat launch area, which can get very busy. To the left of that is the dog exercise area. There's also a parking lot which allows for trailer parking. The water view trail, which goes all through the park. We took this trail. We entered it from number 3, which is off the parking lot next to the boat launch. If you're looking for some trips to do while at Bass Lake, there is Casino-rama, there's the OPP Museum, there's the Orillia Museum of Art and History, also the Scout Valley Trail, and the Kayaking and Ted Hope Parks. Well, we got out and did some paddling. Unfortunately, the wind did pick up quite a bit while we were out. Once we came back in a bit, just to the left of the boat launch, it was actually, the land was blocking the wind, so the water was very calm. We paddled in and chatted with some other campers that were out kayaking, got to look at some turtles, and had lunch on the kayak, and then headed in. quite a few people in the water. Well, it's time for sightseeing. Let's start off with Site 150. 150 is a partially shaded electric site. It says up to 18-foot trailer. It looks like it's actually could take more than that. Fire pit's in a great location. If you actually look at the pictures from Ontario Park's site, it actually looks like they've moved the fire pit from the pictures on their website. Site 146 is a non-electric, partially shaded, average privacy. Takes up to an 18-foot trailer, but like I said, it is a non-electric site. Fire pit is in the back, something I think is great, as some sites really have odd placement. There's also 5 prospector tents with a maximum of 6 people capacity. No pets, no electricity. They have propane barbecues and fire pits. Thanks for watching our video at Bass Lake Provincial Park. Please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit that notification button and join us on our next trip to Mickey Zoo Provincial Park for 5 nights.